Good morning, students. Today we shall learn to find the sum of exterior angle of any polygon. Let's start with the triangle. So we just know that the sum of the interior angles of triangle is 180 degree. And if you want to find the sum of exterior angle of the triangle, and we can see I have marked here angle A, angle B and angle C, small angle C. It's an exterior angle, three exterior angle of the triangles, and we want to find the sum of exterior angle, the sum of these exterior angle of triangle. For this we will do an activity. So let's see an activity through a video. From this video it is clear that if we join the exterior angle of the triangle, so we can see if we join the exterior angle of a triangle, that exterior angle form the sum of, or they form a single turn 360 degree. Single turn means circle, and the angle of the central angle of the circle is 360 degree. We can also do an activity for if you want to know the other than triangle sum of exterior angle of other than triangles. For this we can arrange the pencils. Here I have drawn hexagon. If we arrange these pencils in the form of hexagon, and let's start from this point A, and then we will move towards the point B, then C, then D, then E, then F, then G, then H, and then I. So we can see that these pencils are taking the single turn, or it's a 360 degree. So we are moving around the exterior angle of the given polygon. So, and it is a hexagon. So we can see that the sum of the exterior angle of the hexagon is also 360 degree. So we can also check with the another activity. I have drawn pentagon. So pentagon की भी example देख लेते हैं. I have drawn a pentagon. Here you can see I have just marked the exterior angle of the pentagon, and it's angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4 and angle 5. For this activity what you can do is take the cutout of exterior angle of this pentagon. There are 5 exterior angle of the pentagon. Now what we are going to do, so you can see I have taken the cutouts of the exterior angles. Now for this you have to draw a line. Arrange these exterior angle around the line. So I have arranged these exterior angle around a line, and you can see they are forming a single turn, or they are forming these joining of the exterior angle of the pentagon is forming a circle. So here we can conclude that the sum of the polygons, the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is always 360 degree. So what we have learned, the sum of exterior angle of any polygon, take any polygon like triangle, pentagon, quadrilateral, hexagon. So you can take any example, and if you add these exterior angle, you will always find that the sum of the exterior angle of any polygon is always comes out to be 360 degree. We can see the more examples like, so I have taken the example of triangle. You can also try the activity with quadrilateral and hexagon or heptagon, or octagon, you can try the activity. So what we have learned today, that the sum of exterior angle of polygon, any polygon, is always 360 degree.